the knee inside to set up the shoulder lock. Keep your stance a little bit, stay tight. If I can reach, no, don't give me the head. If I can reach the head here and hook over here and start moving, look, I fall into it. You see what I'm saying? Because a lot of times what you're gonna see is you're not gonna have that knee inside when the guy has a good posture. So what I like to do here, one hand is on the arm, it's your target. The other, hip off the ground, keep holding my leg, whatever. And I keep holding one of his legs. I can hold this leg. If he backs up that leg, sometimes, you know, I hold this leg here a little bit. I keep that foot there. Oh, look, I got that foot there. Oh, I got the position right away. All I need is the head control. You guys follow that?
Yes, sir.
And therefore here, hell breaks loose. So, one more time. You have this, look how far my hip is. The guy's gonna pass my guard, I don't feel good. Now, another thing that happens, he can break this grip in a blink of an eye. You see how easy? So what I do sometimes with my 201, I don't go two hands even. I get one hand and I cover the other. So when he tries to break the grip, over here, I keep blocking that, push more, pull more a little bit. It takes much work for him to do that because my fingers are kind of slightly protected. Sometimes I hold on top too. In the meantime, go ahead. It gives me time here to get that head. Once I start spinning, look, it falls right into place. And therefore here you can choose to finish the traditional way, or you can roll the guy over and finish him the reset, which you're gonna see later. You guys all right with that?
Yes, sir.
Go.